Bro, you already know we out here. Bro, you already know we out here.
Bruh.
What the heck is going on? Due to some technical difficulties, today I'm gonna have my man in the back right there.
What?
Play me something so I can do this intro. You feel me? I'm ready when you're ready. My man know how to play. That's good. That's good. Let's run it back. Bro, you already know we out here, man, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon.
Bruh.
This is a very important video for y'all. I know I look ridiculous right now with these two twists at the front of my head. I haven't washed my hair in over 2 weeks. I know it sounds insane, absurd, and disgusting. I was just waiting till this day to do this video to show you guys how to detangle my hair. Today we're gonna be washing my hair and detangling it. But before we get started, I'm gonna shave this off. I don't know if you guys wanna see it, but boom, you guys are seeing it. Alright, so I guess I'm shaving my face right now. Yeah, before I start, I just wanna make sure I'm looking super clean. You feel me? Alright, so I'm in the shower right now. And as you can see, there are several defined curls at the front of my head. Those are the twists that I had in at the beginning of the video. I just untwisted them and this is what I got. My hair is very dry. It's in need of a lot of moisture. And to do that, I'm gonna need to detangle my hair. But first, I'm gonna be washing my hair. Let me show you guys the shampoo and conditioner I'll be using. So I'm gonna be applying my conditioner. I usually use large amounts of this conditioner. The more moisturize your hair, the easier it's gonna be to comb through. After I'm done applying the conditioner, I wanna part my hair in two, right? And then twist it on both sides to help retain that moisture throughout my shower. While my hair is in two twists, I can do anything I want. I could probably read a book in the shower, eat a fried chicken sandwich in the shower, do anything you want, wash your body. And after I'm done doing everything I need, I take these twists out of my hair, right? So I'm using the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla 4-in-1 combing cream. And then I apply this combing cream right over the conditioner. I don't wash out the conditioner yet. I just apply it over. This thing is perfect for combing out your hair. You feel me? Like if you have knots in your hair, you comb through it, your comb gets stuck. Just gets rid of those problems. And I'm gonna be doing this to both sides of my hair. And now I'm gonna start combing it. I'm gonna start from the ends. In my method, I hold a part of my hair, but I hold down closer to my ends. And then I comb out what I'm holding. I know sometimes you would comb your hair and then you feel strands just being pulled out. You're not gonna feel any strands if you're gonna have a tight grip on your hair and you're combing it. As I'm doing this, I'm slowly making my way up and just combing more hair. And then eventually, I don't have to hold anything and I could just comb that whole side. And again, I do this to both sides. And freaking voila. Look at it. It's fully detangled. It's looking longer too. And it's looking moisturized. What more could you ask for? But yeah, right now I'm just tying one side up and getting ready to do the other side. I'm not gonna show myself doing the other side due to the fact that you already saw me do one side, and what's the freaking point of showing you the other side? I'm not a big fan of wasting time, alright? So this is the hair. This is what we're working with right now. So when my hair looks like this, when it's fully detangled, I want to apply my leave-in and my gel. I use the curl enhancing smoothie for my leave-in, and I use the Talia Wajid curl sealer gel. Since this video is dedicated to detangling, I won't put much emphasis on the leave-in conditioner and the gel. I'm just gonna be telling you that I'm applying it. You feel me? Okay, and that's the end of the shower. I put on my gray cap, check me out, and I'm gonna wait about an hour to see the results. Okay, so an hour has passed by. You can see my head's looking pretty ridiculous right now. But check out this hairball. Yeah, it's almost the size of my hand. Although this is a big hairball, I did not splash. I did not experience a lot of breakage. This is just all the shedded hair for the past 2 weeks. This is expected. Don't get scared. Don't get worried when you see all this hair. If you're moisturizing your hair, you don't have to worry about that. All right, and this is the moment you've been waiting for. And there you go. It's looking pretty clean. I don't usually wear my hair like this, but for this video, I put it back because it's late at night, so I'm just going to sleep right after this. I'm just gonna put my hair up. I think I might start rocking this style because it's looking pretty clean. You feel me? All right, and that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you have a great day. Bro, you already know we out here, and you already know we out here.